Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Entry Guide for
Sutton Coldfield Grammar School for Girls.
The topics covered in this video are linked in the timestamps within the video description below, so you can jump to a specific section if you would like to. When your child is preparing for the 11 Plus exam, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. The Exam Coach also offers fun and effective 11 Plus exam preparation workshops throughout the year. Just visit our website for all the information and our latest schedule. Again, the link is in the description below.
Sutton Coldfield Grammar School for Girls was founded in 1929 and is an all-girls grammar school in Birmingham. The school received a specialism in science in 2004 and became an academy in 2011. Sutton Coldfield Grammar School for Girls is recognised as a beacon school. It is a partner school of Bishop Vesey's Grammar School and is ranked 41st in the country in the Parent Power Survey. 100% of students achieved at least 5 grades 9 to 4, including English and Maths in GCSE. The school has a total of 1,160 students with 180 places available for Year 7 entry. On average, there are approximately 5 or more applicants per place. The exam style used for Sutton Coldfield Grammar School for Girls is CEM 11+, the Grammar Schools of Birmingham Consortium. The specific areas tested are English, Maths, Verbal Reasoning and Non-Verbal Reasoning. There are 2 50-minute exams. The pass mark is different each year. The pass mark for 2021 entry was 205.
The latest information for this year's application process, including key dates, school catchment area, oversubscription policy and contact information, are available on the Exam Coach website, linked below this video. Effective preparation is vital to doing well in the 11 Plus exam. We would recommend that you start revision and preparation as early as possible. With the help of Exam Coach 11 Plus workshops, you can begin building and consolidating your child's 11 Plus exam skills on a weekly basis. We also provide free practice tests and answers to reflect the types of questions that frequently appear in 11 Plus exams. In addition, your child can expand their vocabulary by tuning in to our daily Vocab Show podcast, available on YouTube, iTunes, Spotify and Amazon Music. Finally, we recommend you read our 18-point 11 Plus exam preparation guide. Our workshops and resources are used by thousands of 11 Plus students every year. All of these resources can be found on our website, linked below this video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your 11 Plus application.